Hola amigos, I'm Chef Ronaldo and welcome to Smoke Sessions. I've teamed up with Kingsford, Masterbuilt, and the Home Depot to cook up some recipes using different grilling techniques to help you master your flavor at home. Today we are baking, which is a dry heat cooking method using the convection heat of the grill to cook our food, to infuse rich smoke flavor and to cook through. We could achieve this by using the gravity series and maintain a consistent temperature throughout the whole time. I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite desserts, the caramel flan. I'm going to load the hopper with Kingsford charcoal, light it, and set the grill at 350 degrees. I love making this with Kingsford charcoal because that incredible smoky flavor the charcoal infuses into the custard and the caramel. Once it has come up to temp, we're gonna start by making our caramel. We're gonna add sugar and water to a pan for about 10 to 15 minutes, swirling and simmering until lightly brown. We'll pour that into an oven-safe container, move and tilt to cover the bottom and set aside to cool. Now we'll combine the ingredients for the custard. Simmer on low heat for 5 to 8 minutes and set aside to cool for about 15. Then we're going to whisk our 5 eggs in a medium bowl, adding our cool liquid and whisking to well combine. We're gonna pour the liquid into our oven-safe container with the caramel. Add it to a roasting pan filled with water. It should cover about a third of the baking dish. Cook until the custard is set but jiggles in the center about 60 minutes. The grill, the fan, and the Kingsford charcoal should help it maintain a consistent 350 degrees for the whole cook. Cool for an hour and place in the fridge until completely chilled or overnight. All right, we let it rest overnight. Let's give this a try. Absolutely incredible. The Kingsford gives it a really light smoke on the caramel and the custard, so make sure you try this. Thanks for watching. Make sure you head over to the Home Depot to pick up your Gravity Series 1050 and Kingsford Charcoal. Adios.